My name is Elena and I am studying in 5th. Today I am going to show you how to make a smart post box. I am studying through Playto Labs and I am using Playto Labs kit. I'll explain what components are needed to make the smart post box. So we'll start with the sound module. Then we have the wireless receiver. Then we have the pulse delay module. Then we have two batteries. We have one wireless transmitter and one sensor base which connects sensors like IR sensor, tilt sensor and so on. And these are the connecting wires used for connecting the receiver, pulse delay, batteries and transmitter. Now I'll assemble the smart post box using the components which I have explained. So first I will make the receiver circuit. So I'm using the receiver, wireless receiver, the sound and one battery. I'm going to connect the battery to the receiver. And receiver to the sound. My receiver circuit is ready. Now I am going to make the transmitter circuit. For this I am using a pulse delay, a transmitter, the sensor base and the IR sensor and one battery. Now I will make the transmitter circuit. So first we will connect the battery to the transmitter. Then we will connect the transmitter to the pulse delay. Then we will connect the pulse delay to the sensor base. Then we will connect the IR sensor to the sensor base. Then we will set the time. Then we will press the save button. And we will on the receiver. It will sense and then it will start. Countdown will start and the receiver, it will make the sound. Now I am going to assemble the post box, smart post box. So this receiver part will be in the home and the transmitter part will be in the post box. Now I have assembled the post box. Now I am going to on the transmitter and set the pulse delay. Now I am going to put the letter. It will sense, this IR sensor will sense the letter and the sound and the alarm will sound for 5 seconds in the home. It will alert me that the letter is posted in the post box. Thank you.